Yeah, I am Vijay Havaralu. I am working as infrastructure engineer, supporting systems and application architect. At New York State. Um, this class was really great, and it will really help in getting my AWS certification and future employments. Uh, Sprintzeal really helped me in providing the class, and they scheduled it very well. And even in case of trouble, they have provided a very good uh, trainer. And Raj is very good in covering the class very well, and he has well planned in covering all the topics, and also provided videos. And he was quite knowledgeable and answered all the questions to the topic and covered all the topics, whatever is everything needed for the class. That's very good. And uh, I covered. Yeah, I think I covered most of them. Yeah, any help in the future in certification and all, it was quite helpful from him. And thanks for providing the class. And as Richard mentioned, it was worth the money, I think, once we get certification and employment. And in referring the classes in the future or in a real job environment. Thanks.